अरे भाई क्यों करते हैं सर इन लोग? चले डर गया था वो, उसने लिया वो मूव, उसको लगा फास्ट रहेगा पर वो जो हिसाब से कैलकुलेट किया ना उसने, मिस हो गया उसका कैलकुलेशन।
Hello my boys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am finally making my childhood dream come true by visiting a place I have always wanted since 2006. We used to live in Grant Road, but life happened and we moved to Vasai. When I was in 5th grade, the first semester had just ended, and while my parents were looking for school in Vasai, no one was willing to admit me. They told us I would either have to start fresh or finish the second semester at my old school before getting admitted to 6th grade. So for 6 long months, we made the long commute from Vasai to Cherney Road for St. Sebastian School. My mom patiently waited for me until my school was over, and then we had to travel back. But during those travels, I noticed something that always caught my eye: an island nestled between Bhayandar and Naigaon. I'd always wonder what it's like over there. Do people actually live on that island? Being a nature lover, I'd get lost in thoughts, imagining how peaceful and untouched it might be. I remember countless times just staring at it, dreaming of one day setting my foot there. It's almost been 20 years now, and today finally I'm going there with my brother. This entire week I have just explored on Google Maps, and I have found multiple locations. This is one of them, and this one is special, close to my heart. Did some research on it. Turns out that small island has a population of just 1500 people. Today finally I'm making my way there. This is the first time I'm visiting that place, and I'm very much excited about it. All these years I've imagined what it would be like to see it up close, and now it's actually happening. Let's see if it's as magical as I have always imagined. So let's keep the wheels rolling. Let's go, my boys.
ऐसा वेदर रहना चाहिए, देखो कितना मस्त है ये ना। बीच में क्यों आया था धूप, क्या मालूम।
If you have seen my recent upload, I covered Pazar Lake, a beautiful spot located in Juchandra. I took the flyover on the right to get there. If you have not seen the video yet, you can just click on the upper right hand corner. This is Naigaon railway station, which is why you will see so many bikes parked here. We are heading to an island called Panju, which is the second island on our cycling journey. The first island we covered was Annala Fort, and if you haven't seen that video yet, it's one of the best on this channel. I'll link it at the end of this video and also drop a link in the comment section. The ferry to Panju is just 5 minutes away from Naigaon station.
चलो आ जाओ।
We had just stepped off the ferry when the sky darkened and it started to rain, at first lightly and then with a sudden ferocity. the kind of rain that drenches you within seconds. The world around us had quieted, except for the rain. And the longer we waited, the more our patience began to wear thin. 45 minutes passed, but rain showed no signs of stopping. We looked at each other, a silent understanding passing between us. It wasn't about waiting anymore. It was about moving forward, rain or no rain. With a shrug and a half smile, we hopped back on our bikes and rode into the storm, feeling the cold droplets pelt our faces.
अभी
At the
मुंह
entrance
बल
stood
देता था
a
मैं।
statue of our king, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
पूछो ना वो तालाब की तरफ। तालाब कुठे आहे? थैंक यू। सीधा है बोलो। आगे अंदर वो एक बार।
बट भाई इधर स्नेक भी खाया और इधर काटा ना, तो दिस इज नॉट अ गुड प्लेस।
हाँ हॉस्पिटल नहीं है, बस स्कूल है। मैं बोल रहा हूँ, ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ।
भाई सांप काट रहा है तू किधर में कुछ।
अरे क्रिकेट ग्राउंड किधर है? किधर से है? ड्रोन उड़ाएगा ना तभी मालूम पड़ेगा भाई। कवर कर लेगा वही।
As we cycled through the area, we noticed the absence of cars. Only a few scooters here and there, adding to the quiet charm of the place. It felt like a breath of fresh air. The air was clean, free from the usual hustle and bustle, and you could almost feel the purity in every breath you took.
वहाँ पे
वो है क्या ट्रांसपोर्ट मेरे को लगा ट्रांसपोर्ट
शेड है वो।
इधर कैसा है वो ये
यही क्रिकेट ग्राउंड है लगता है भाई। ये ऐसा हो गया क्रिकेट ग्राउंड।
वो वाला मस्त लग रहा है कौन सा। हाँ वो
वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ।
This village has a small primary school, a cricket ground, and a few temples, making it an ideal escape from the noise of the city life. It's a peaceful place, offering a sense of calm that's hard to find elsewhere. We are cycling towards railway tracks. We arrived at a spot where we noticed people crossing from the bridge.
त्या बाजूला काय आहे काय?
आहे काय नाही काय नाही.
We decided to figure out where they are coming from. But despite observing for a while, we couldn't find a clear answer. My guess is they might be walking from Naigaon station, probably to avoid the ferry trip.
अच्छा ये पाइप है क्या? तुम उतरो ना, उतरो। हाँ नहीं ये पाइप ये
अरे तू क्या ये कर रहा है?
क्या मतलब जा रहा था अभी ये साइकिल, इसलिए यही किया ना। चलो।
We were on the lookout for a perfect spot to fry some eggs, butter some bread, and enjoy a hot cup of coffee. After a bit of searching, we finally found it. I hope my boys enjoy all the shots. Until the next video, my boys, keep chasing and no crashing.